Hey guys, and thank you for coming back to my channel. So, today's video is gonna be quite different. You're not gonna be seeing much of me. You're gonna be seeing my friends Kendra and Farella doing a taste test video. Now, everything in today's videos, all the desserts, all the drinks, all the treats, everything is from the Baking Bartender. If you don't know who the Baking Bartender is, it's basically my friend Anique. She's an amazing baker and she's a bartender. Like, she's got her bartending diploma and everything, and she's worked jobs, okay? She got the experience. She's worked at restaurants. She's worked at clubs. So yeah, she sells baked goods now and cocktails, but you know, it all started as a hobby, but she's selling them now, okay? So as of today, you can buy all the things you see in today's videos at her next sale. If you don't feel like waiting until the next sale, you can always contact her if you have a party, a business, an event. A party is an event, but whatever, you get my point. You can contact her. Her Instagram is gonna be in my description box below, or I'll also put it on the screen. Let me make some space so I can put the name on the screen. So yeah, go and follow her. Contact her if you have a party. You can have cinnamon rolls there, honey. But yeah, go ahead and contact her. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. Okay, so what you're going to be doing today is you guys are going to be testing food blindfolded. Okay? So one of you soon is going to be hiding in the bathroom over there. One of you have to stay here and you're going to be blindfolded. Now, I'm going to give you something to eat. And you're going to have 30 seconds to guess what it is. Okay? If you guess it right, you get a point. There's going to be 2 rounds. And then there's a third round. The third round is going to be a bonus round.
Okay.
Worth double the points.
Okay.
The winner is
okay, all that points. Wait, I want to hear this one. Like.
Okay, the prize is you're going to get a bottle of strawberry mojito.
Bitch, I'm gonna win this shit, period.
Okay, so who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Best of 3? Why me demi wanna? Rock, paper, scissors. Why me demi wanna? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Why me demi wanna? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Shit.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, God.
Wait, I have to set the timer. Don't touch it yet.
My bad.
Okay.
You gotta like point my hand to where it is.
Okay.
Well.
Give me your hand. Here, go.
Is this it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, well.
And your time starts now. You can.
I already know what it is.
Okay.
Girl, you gotta eat fruit.
Ooh, oh fuck, what the fuck is this? Ooh, oh, it's chocolate covered strawberry!
Correct.
I'm scared. This is covered strawberry thing. I don't know.
Say it again. Say it again.
A chocolate covered strawberry.
Okay.
I'm scared. I don't eat fruit.
Oh damn! That's really good! It does not horrible. It's perfect. It has a perfect layer around it. It tastes like white chocolate.
Not a fan of fruit, are you?
No, I'm not.
I love chocolate covered strawberry, so I'll give this 9 out of 10.
We didn't ask for a rating, sis.
Let me question
go ahead.
myself because I didn't do all of that. From everything that
Because she said say everything on your mind, so I did what I have to do.
Then you said anything. Oh my god, and I can't believe it. My mama will be proud though. I ate a fruit today.
Your time starts now. You didn't take it.
What is this? Wait. Am I right or not?
Correct.
Quesillo. Period. Quesillo.
Be like,
This is really good. I love it. Makom ito valid mo kung quesillo yera. Essa aqui, it's really, I like it's really thick but moist at the same time. It's not dry. The right amount of sauce. I give it a 10 out of 10.
I know it.
but no cuidado. It's good.
Okay. I think she ate cleaner than me, because I was hella messy.
You hella messy. Hey, but I want my quesillo back, bro.
So this
Round.
is the bonus round.
Alright.
In this round, you will be eating cinnamon rolls.
Okay.
Dang girl.
But you have to guess which one is vegan and which one
What the? Okay.
and which one is a normal regular schmegular cinnamon
What
roll.
the fuck? Damn.
Okay? For this round, you will have more time.
Okay, Kalika.
But this round, it will be double the points. Right now, you both are tied. You both have 2 points.
Shit.
So, winner of this round wins it all.
Okay.
Okay, forks is on your right side. Okay,
It ain't on my right side, you bitch. She was fucking lying.
there are 2 halves. Okay, there are 2 halves. You can start feeling it. Yes.
Okay.
Don't start tasting it yet. My bad.
Okay, one.
Kalika.
After a minute and a half, I'll ask you which one is which.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, and your time starts now.
Why am I'm not gonna use the fork side.
There we go. Wow. Yeah. Moist. And a little crunch. I love it. At this point, I'm just eating just to enjoy the food, not to think which one's vegan.
I think I know.
That's interesting.
If I'm not, I hope I'm right.
I hope I'm right too. I think I'm convinced,
Me too.
but yeah, well, I'm convinced. Yeah.
Okay, I will give you have 30 more seconds.
I'm gonna try it again.
Think
Just
about
to be
it.
sure.
Okay,
Shit, I'm
3,
We're confused.
2, 1.
Okay.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm gonna just stick with my first answer.
Okay, raise the hand, like the side that you think is the vegan cinnamon roll, left or right. Okay, and which one is the regular? Okay,
You better say I'm right.
the winner of the taste challenge is
The fuck? I know! Get to the fucking point, bitch!
Kendra! You may take off your blindfold.
So, but first thought about that rechts vegan and the links normal?
Yeah.
Wow.
So
I'm
this
just
one's
thinking-
vegan.
That one's vegan.
Misschien geen mensen horen. I really, wak, ito smaakt miskos, pero you can taste the difference.
Bitch, I think I said the wrong thing. You're right. I knew this was vegan. Wait, let me try it again. Yeah. I did. Huh? Oh, they taste the same.
Voorba, moet ik voorba.
Yeah, I knew this one was vegan. I said the wrong
believe-
thing.
So you know it's normal.
I knew it. No, seriously. I fucking knew it.
Oh, you answered the wrong thing.
Oh, that's like freshly made.
You want some?
Oh wow.
It's pretty, no? Her name is the Baking Bartender. That's a really creative name. I love it. The Baking Bartender.
The fact I got so confused.
Ik wil geen hoge douche though. Het is echt goed. I really like it.
Like now it tastes practically the same. This egg glaze, the egg vegan one.
You can
is-
taste this.
Let's cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to you, winner.
Thank you. I like when drinks have like fresh fruit in them. It's like
Farella can't relate.
Let me finish this good ass bomb ass cinnamon roll.
But yeah, guys, everything that you saw in the video today is by the Baking Bartender. If you're interested, go check her Instagram out, and you can order your cinnamon roll, your chocolate your chocolate covered strawberries at the next sale. Yeah, go check out her Instagram. The menu is there, everything's there. You can also find them in the description box below. Oh my god! You already know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe.
Share.
Period. As you
Share.
should.
As you should. As you
Support
should.
the
As you
homie.
should. Exactly. And yeah, so that's about it for this video. I'll see you guys next time that I decide to post some.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and see you guys in the next daily vlog. Good night.
Cut!
So when I drank it, y'all know I
I'm
don't drink
calling
alcohol.
alcohol.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Hey guys, why did I open my arms? Like, hey guys, and welcome back. That was so fake. Hope you fake. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, oh, that sounds so basic, so generic. Hey guys, and thank you for coming back to my channel. So, why do I say it like that? Welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be in the description. It's gonna be in the. Today's video is gonna be quite different. You're not gonna be seeing much of me. You're gonna be seeing my friend. All these delicious treats. You know, at their next sale, like you can keep up with their Instagram, and you will see it. But boom, guys. Thank you for being in the video.
The pleasure was yours, sweetie.
was
As
all
Noel would say.
Yes.
Noel,
All yours.
the pleasure was all yours, sweetie.